Hey, I'm Bradford Brenner from Healdsburg, California. This is Paisley Brenner, my daughter. She's been super distracting. We're trying to film this video, I guess it's not film, it's video, for Third and Wall, who's been reproducing my paintings for, gosh, I'm thinking it's over 20 years. But each time we go to do the little photo shoot, she's down there looking at me, very distracting. So anyway, so she's gonna do this with us. And she's going to point out some of the interesting things, like the flower. She loves that yellow flower right there. That's a good flower for her. She can be pretty critical of some of my work. That's why I like to paint landscapes too, because she can't really critique those as specifically. But anyway, I've been painting at home. Here's a new one that I just did, a little painting of an orange. And it's been great. Been great painting at home, great being at home. Hope all you guys are doing well at home, and we'll see you later.